Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, let's know how to speak and write. Make sentences, writing and speaking skill. First of all, we must know it depends on time and situation. Next step is collect words, arrange together, make theme based, then your sentence will be ready. Let's know once again make sentences. How to write means writing and speaking skill depends on time and situation. Collection of words means you collect words, then you arrange together, make it theme based and create sentences means your sentence will be ready. Here cricket, going, we, to, are, play, outside. So many words are there. Let's arrange together. We are going to play football or cricket. But in my sentence, football is not there. Cricket. So your sentence is we play football outside. We are going to play cricket. So here we are completing these sentences. Let's know again. Complete sentences. Next. Don't. Outside. Go, you. So here 4 words are there. Don't, outside, go, you. How to make your sentence a theme based? Let's know. You don't go outside. Or don't go outside. But you is there here, so your correct sentence is you don't go outside. So this is correct. You don't go outside. Don't go outside you. This is not correct. So my dear friend, here we must know before making our sentences. Here singular and plural person. Here first person, second person and third person. Just I am showing you. Let me write. First person singular I, plural we. Second person you, plural you. Third person he or she or it. Any naming word you may say. Then they. So here I, we, you. Then he, she or it. Then they. These are in pronoun form, but it works as a subject in the sentences. It works for sentences as a subject. While writing or creating any sentences. Okay. Next, let's know if you want to write sentences or speak, then you must know present continuous, which is based in is, am, are plus V1 ing. Let's know few examples. He is talking with his friend. We are discussing about our topic. I am eating rice. He is talking with his friend. We are discussing about our topic. Here am, is, are. These are auxiliary verbs. Now let's know past continuous. Past continuous was were plus V1 ing. She was learning yesterday. We or they were going to school regularly. He, I, he, she. You can use was, but we, you, they, you can use were. Then future continuous based on will be, shall be plus V1 ing. I, we, you, he, she, they. You can use will be or shall be. Plus V1 ing. Okay? Let's know few examples. He will be calling me tomorrow. Once again, I am repeating. She will be calling me tomorrow. In this way, you practice regularly and make yourself an expert English speaker. My dear friend, practice regularly and I will also upload videos how to present by watching nature and other objects. So here I am concluding this video. Just you like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you.